Welcome to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're going to talk about how much it costs to form an LLC in Georgia and how you can do it quickly and affordably. Whether you're starting a business or pivoting into the entrepreneurial world, understanding LLC formation costs is key to getting your business off the ground. Let's dive into everything you need to know. Understanding the costs of forming an LLC in Georgia. If you're in Georgia and considering forming an LLC, you may be wondering about the cost and the steps involved. In this guide, we'll break down the various fees associated with forming an LLC in Georgia and how to make the process smoother, including using a registered agent like Northwest Registered Agent, which costs just $39 per year. Cost breakdown of forming an LLC in Georgia. The cost of forming an LLC in Georgia is generally affordable, especially when you consider the long-term benefits of legal protection and tax flexibility. Below is a detailed breakdown of the costs associated with starting an LLC in Georgia. 1. Georgia LLC formation fees. The most significant cost when setting up an LLC in Georgia is the filing fee for the Articles of Organization. This document officially registers your LLC with the state. The filing fee is $100 if done online through the Georgia Secretary of State's website. You can also file by mail, but this costs $110. The online filing option is faster, making it the preferred method for most entrepreneurs. 2. Registered agent fees. In Georgia, like in most states, you are required to designate a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or company that receives legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. If you choose to act as your own registered agent, the cost is free. However, many entrepreneurs prefer to hire a professional registered agent service to maintain privacy and ensure they don't miss important legal notifications. One of the most popular registered agent services is Northwest Registered Agent, which charges $39 per year. They offer excellent customer service, privacy protection, and help with all the legal paperwork related to your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent ensures that your business stays compliant, so you don't have to worry about missing any important deadlines. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. 3. Operating agreement, optional but recommended. While Georgia does not require you to file an LLC operating agreement with the state, it is highly recommended that you have one. An LLC operating agreement is an internal document that outlines how your LLC will be run, including the responsibilities of members, how profits will be distributed, and procedures for decision-making. You can draft your own operating agreement, or you can hire a legal professional to create one for you. If you use a service like Northwest Registered Agent, they often include basic templates or additional help for creating this document. While there is no state filing fee for this document, you might incur legal or service fees if you choose to have it professionally drafted. 4. EIN, Employer Identification Number. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is essentially your LLC's social security number for tax purposes. You'll need an EIN if you plan to hire employees, open a business bank account, or get certain licenses. Fortunately, you can obtain an EIN for free directly from the IRS website. 5. Business licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you are starting, you may need to obtain local business licenses or permits. The cost for these can vary depending on the location and type of business. For instance, if you're opening a retail business or running a food establishment, additional permits will be required. The fees for these licenses can range from $50 to a few $100s. It's important to check with your city or county government to determine which licenses and permits you need. This is especially critical for businesses that involve selling products or services to the public. 6. Annual fees and ongoing costs. Once your LLC is established, Georgia has an annual registration fee of $50, which must be filed every year to keep your LLC in good standing. This fee must be paid to the Secretary of State, and the renewal period is on the anniversary of your LLC's formation. Additionally, if your LLC generates substantial income, you'll need to file state and federal taxes. Georgia charges a state income tax on LLCs, which ranges from 1% to 5.75% depending on your income. If your LLC elects to be taxed as an S-Corp, there may be additional tax requirements, so it's a good idea to consult a tax professional. How to form an LLC in Georgia. Now that you understand the costs, let's take a quick look at the steps involved in forming an LLC in Georgia. Choose a name for your LLC. Make sure your business name is unique and follows Georgia's LLC naming rules. It must include LLC or limited liability company in the name. File articles of organization. Submit your articles of organization to the Georgia Secretary of State. This can be done online for a fee of $100. Designate a registered agent. Choose a registered agent to handle legal documents. You can use a service like Northwest Registered Agent, which costs $39 per year. Create an operating agreement. While not mandatory in Georgia, it's recommended to create an LLC operating agreement to outline the responsibilities of the members. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an EIN from the IRS to get your business tax number. File annual registration. After your LLC is formed, remember to pay the $50 annual registration fee to keep your LLC in good standing. Additional considerations. When forming an LLC, remember that the costs discussed above are just the start. You should also consider the long-term expenses, such as annual taxes, business insurance, and any legal fees for maintaining your LLC. Forming an LLC is an investment in the future of your business, and the benefits far outweigh the costs. Using a reliable registered agent service, such as Northwest Registered Agent, can help simplify the process and keep you compliant with state regulations. At just $39 per year, Northwest Registered Agent offers a valuable service that can save you time and stress in the long run. Forming an LLC in Georgia, affordable and simple. Forming an LLC in Georgia is an affordable and straightforward process, with the basic cost starting at just $100 for the articles of organization. Adding a registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent for $39 per year provides peace of mind and helps ensure your business stays compliant with state laws. If you're ready to take the next step in starting your business, be sure to check the video description for additional resources and links to get started with Northwest Registered Agent. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more business tips and advice. See you in the next video.